today we are going to use strips to cut. We have cut 3 7/8 strips for today, and the reason we're using that measurement is because we are going to be finishing all of our half square triangles are going to finish at 3 inches. So you need to know what the formula for that is. Whenever you have a finished size, so let's say you have 3-inch finished, you have to add 7/8 of an inch onto that size in order to get the cut size for your beginning square. If you wanted 2-inch finished, you'd cut a 2 7/8 strip. So you would just use that 7/8 formula. The first thing you need to do is cut your strips of light and dark. Layer them right sides together. You're going to true up one of your edges. So using your 6-inch square or 6.5-inch square, always remember to stabilize the tip of the ruler and cut to true that one edge off. Now you're going to rotate your strip so that you can start cutting. We're going to cut a 3 7/8 square from this. So how do you find 3 7/8? Go to 4 inches and back off 1/8 of an inch, and that's 3 7/8. It's an odd measurement to find usually because people are usually looking for half or quarter inches. And just use your cutter to cut yourself a square. At this point, we're going to cut these apart in half in order for us to do our half square triangles. We're going to be using bias, we're going to be sewing with bias, and that can be a little bit hazardous for some people. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways how you can cut these apart. The first one is you're going to take the ruler and line it up tip to tip. If you line it up tip to tip, you have to think about the width of this blade. It's going to affect your cutting. So you need to angle the blade in order to get 2 equal half square triangles. That way we get 2 exact half square triangles on both tips. The other way is to get another set of squares and put them right sides together. Now if I offset the tip, the width of the blade, which is a little bit more to eyeball, but it's very useful if you can get used to it, I would recommend that you try both of these methods, see which one works better for you, and cut straight like you usually cut, and you'll still end up with 2 identical half square triangles. Now we're ready to put them through the machine.